Hello and welcome to RV Cooking with Keith. Got a little special treat for you today. We're doing a little bit of a tailgate party out here in the state park. We're trying out a power pack to see if we can start going cooking in different remote areas. Today we're going to do some beef tacos for you with some Mexican rice. So to get started, I've already chopped the ingredients. I'm now going to assemble the rice. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter in my rice cooker here. We're going to add about a half a cup of onions to that. We've got 3/4 of a green pepper actually in there. We've got 1 cup of rice that we're going to put in. We're going to hit it with a dash of cayenne pepper. One can of tomato chopped sauce. We're going to rinse that with a little bit of water. And a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And just because our guests, our good friends Keith and Diane, like it spicy, we're going to put a little bit of jalapeno peppers in there as well. We've got that in the rice maker. Going to give that a stir. That's it. We'll leave that for 20 minutes. And in a moment, we'll come back and we'll start the tacos. And it just wouldn't be Spanish or Mexican rice without a little bit of hot sauce. So we'll do a little dash. Okay, the rice is just about done. I'm going to start now with the tacos. So I have about 3/4 of an onion in here that we're just going to begin to soften. Okay, the onions have softened. I've just added 3 cloves of garlic. I'm now going to add a pound of ground beef. We're going to brown that up, and then we're going to add the spices. And so now that the ground beef is browned, I'm going to add the herbs. So I have the spices. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Sprinkle that in. As well, to this now, we're going to add 1 diced poblano pepper. We're going to add a little bit of green pepper that I have left over from the rice. And I got about a half of a jalapeno pepper we're putting in there. Just going to bring all of those flavors together. Okay, so the rice is done, the beef is done. We've got the toppings set out. We've got lettuce, we've got tomatoes, we've got cheese, we've got salsa verde and red salsa. And so we're just going to invite people now to compile their tacos, get their rice, and go have a seat. And this is the finished product.
Yum. It's amazing.